Hi there. So it's a short video about the UK theory test and the UK driving test. I've been sent an email last night from the DVSA saying that if you, as in me, the instructor, comes down with symptoms of the coronavirus, or if one of my students comes down with symptoms of the coronavirus who are taking the driving test that week, then I need to be cancelling. So I'll put a link in the description with all the information you need to know. So it's going to go straight to my website. There's a set up a page for you so you can read about it, and I'll update it as the DVSA update it. So basically what they're saying, and the reason sending this out is because they don't want you to turn up for the driving test with the virus because you're going to pass it on. So because it's short notice, you're going to be worried about losing your fee, because it's £62 for the driving test and £23 for the theory test. And if you cancel at short notice, then you're going to be worried about losing the money. So what they're saying now is, if you've got the symptoms, and say all the information is in the description, if you've got the symptoms of the coronavirus and it's short notice, whether it be the night before or the morning, and you think I've definitely got the symptoms, I've got the high temperature, I've got the cough, then I need to be contacting the DVSA and telling them that you can't turn up for the test because you've got the virus, and they'll rebook the test free of charge for you. And the same goes if your instructor has got the symptoms, because he can't turn up in the car. So what needs to happen then is that you need to be also cancelling the test by contacting them. Okay, I hope it helps you. If this helps you, fantastic. And if your test goes ahead because you're well, good luck on the test on the big day. Take care.